What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I just want to talk about what I believe is close to all-time highs with SPY. It doesn't mean that we can't go back up to 500 or something like that. If obviously Amazon and Apple have earnings coming up on Thursday, I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is I think for now, SPY, has been on a non-stop just tear since October, and we broke trend in November, and we've just been nonstop up, right? This kind of price action cannot continue. It cannot sustain. That's what I believe, honestly. And I kind of felt that we were extremely overextended. We were at like all-time highs. Nvidia kept breaking out, like all these companies keep breaking out because of AI or they're having good earnings, yet they're laying off tons of employees. Like most people I know can't even buy groceries without really feeling a hit. So there's something that's misaligned. Like they're saying that the housing market is improving, yet everybody that I speak to, even people who, are engineers, like they're not really in the best of positions. I know the economy is not the stock market, but I say all this to make the point that something's got to give at one point or another, and there has to be a correction. Like all this money that's pouring into the stock market, okay, maybe it's coming from corporations, but I just want to go into the trade that I called out in the Discord group. So as you can see here, yesterday at around 12:26 p.m. I said I'm going to enter some SPY puts, 49 strike, 2.5 expiration for a swing. So I had a very high conviction on this trade. I took around 10 to 11 contracts, and almost immediately after, one of the mods just said this trade is looking good. I hope somebody entered the trade, right? So that was at 12:26. So let's take a look at 12:26 yesterday. So this is yesterday, and if we go to the time, 12, right around here, 12:26. This is 12:15, 12:30. So this is a 15-minute time frame. So sometime at this point, right? So we got a huge drop. I actually did lock in some profit, up 11% on this large position, 14%, and then I'm gonna trim some here to get in the green, but I'm going to hold this, right? So yeah, I was still holding 8 contracts by 12:34. As you can see, it does start to go back up by the middle of the day, and then it just drops overnight. And now today, obviously, you've seen what happened. So let me just again continue going into the trade at 20% on the rest, right? So I sold some. Somebody else made money with the trade too, and I sold 2 more, holding the rest overnight. So overnight we had that big drop. Everyone's pinging me. I'm still holding. How far are you thinking of holding? And I show, I have 2 contracts left. They're at 84%, right? And now I ended up selling 1 contract for 160%. This is today after the FOMC meeting. And obviously I'm aware FOMC is high risk. The stock could have gone back up because of, positive news catalyst or something like that. But I'm definitely bearish right now. I think there's no reason for the market to keep going up and keep overextending. It doesn't really fundamentally doesn't make sense to me. And from the technicals as well, we're at all-time highs. We're overextended. We're still going up even despite breaking above highs multiple times. For what catalyst, right? Nothing's really changed in the day-to-day. But in any case, I digress. Up 140%. And I actually just looked right now. My contracts are, this contract specifically is up 180%. I'm still holding this one overnight. And now, as you can see here, yeah, SPY might be rebounding a little bit here, but I think we're going to see more sell-off. We might even see, because obviously we have earnings coming up, so we might see like another rise up to like 489, maybe even a retest of the 491, 492 mark, and then another stronger push down. I think we're going to come back down to reality, right? I don't see how price can really sustain these levels. AI is hype, AI is good, and it's the next technological revolution, obviously, but Nvidia can only push the market up so high by itself, right? Um, I'm just really not seeing, uh, the reason for us to blow past these highs and continue higher up. Like I said, I think we can hit 500. That's not out of the realm of possibility. But if you ask me, if we come back up to this 490 range, I'm going to be swinging some long dated puts. I'm probably going to go like huge position, like 5-figure position, and I'm going to swing puts that are going to be 6 to 12 months out, probably closer to 12 months because they're obviously get more safety with the further out expiration date. But I just think that this cannot sustain, and it's fun while it's lasting. People are making money on this bull run, but I think price has to retrace at least a little bit because it's healthy, and that's just normal market movement. So, looking at the daily, I mean, yeah, it's just parabolic up since October nonstop. It's kind of insane. So, let's see what happens here. I have a price target for 471. I'm going to hold these puts and just see how we move tomorrow and make my decision. I think we can get, 480, 479, and that should be about maybe 300% on the contracts that I currently have. So, in any case, guys, feel free to ask some questions. I'm always happy to share and give my personal opinion for what it is. I've been trading for 5 to 5.5 years. Take what I say with a grain of salt. But if you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. Consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. And if you want to trade with us in the Discord group, the link should be either in the bio or in the pinned comments or the description. So yeah, if not, you can just comment and ask, and I can give you the link for the Discord group in a comment. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for everything, and I will see you all next time.